Feeding some not pet lambs, feeding some lambs at the farm at Boxwood Hills. Auntie's feeding one and my brother Joseph is feeding the other one.
Yeah,
and there's the mummy sheep. She's feeding them but not enough.
oh, that's nice.
They're so hungry. It's been a big day.
They know how to drink.
Yeah, they do.
We don't have to. Or because you have give them already the first day.
Yeah.
Come closer.
It didn't take them very long to learn how to drink. That one over there, first go. Normally you gotta, teach them.
Yeah. But this one is expert.
Yeah, expert drinker.